Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on the customer website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in customer.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official customer website. Now from the home page, if you don't already have an account, you can click on the request demo button. And if you already do have an account, click on the login button at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the login portal where you can enter your organization name and click on the continue button to proceed with entering your password to log in. Now after you log into your account and even before you attempt to log in, you will find the language drop-down menu right alongside the login page. You can click on this and you will see the various languages that are available for the customer website. Click on any language that you wish, and this will immediately change all of the language interface for the customer website to this language. Now, if you have already logged in, all of your user dashboard information will also be shown in this language. If it doesn't change, then you can simply try refreshing the tab, and you can come back to this menu as many times as you want to choose your desired language. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the customer website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.